In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a team in ClickUp step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. Creating teams in ClickUp is essential for organizing your workspace, managing permissions, and making collaboration smoother as your company or project grows. If you're working with multiple people and want better visibility, accountability, and structure, this is something you definitely want to set up correctly. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace where you want to create the team. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard. From here, look toward the left side of the screen where your main navigation menu is located. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Teams. This section is where ClickUp lets you manage existing teams and create new ones for your workspace. After clicking on Teams, you'll be taken to the Teams Overview page. This page shows all the teams that currently exist in your workspace, if there are any. To create a new one, look for the button that says Create Team and click on it. A new window or panel will open, prompting you to set up your team details. Here, enter a clear and descriptive team name. For example, you might name your team Marketing, Development, Sales, or Client Support, depending on how you want to organize your people. Once you've entered the team name, double-check that everything looks correct. When you're ready, click on the Create Team button to confirm. ClickUp will instantly create your new team and add it to your workspace. From here, you can start adding members, assigning tasks, and using the team to manage permissions and visibility across folders, spaces, and lists. And that's it! You've successfully created a team in ClickUp. This simple setup step can make a huge difference in how organized and efficient your workspace feels, especially as your team grows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow ClickUp guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.